Hi people, today I'm making spaghetti. Yes, I have boiled the spaghetti. I'm now blanching with cold water so that I can fry them. So I want to fry them with kitungu, nyanya and some cubes. These are the kitungu, as you can see, nyanya and carrots and biringanya. I'll put some Royco cubes. I've added oil, then my sufuria is hot, so I add onions so that it let it cook. Then I'll add Royco cubes. This is 3 pieces of onions, so let it cook to be golden brown. This is the Royco cube I want to add after it cooks, so I'm removing the paper and draw from the dustbin. Just add some oil to this one, it is not enough. Let me add some pasta. Add this biringanya. This is inaitangwa aje in English. Some salt. Let it cook for some time. Not yet golden brown yet. I add tomatoes. Let it cook so that it can turn out to be a paste. I'll just add some little water. Little water. I've added some water that it can become a paste, so I let it cook for some time. These tomatoes can cook evenly without anyone to notice there was tomato. And by the way, I'm doing training. If you want to have cooking skills, I am training, and the charges are 200 shillings per person. So if you want to cook, if you want your child to know how to cook, just inbox me. I'm only training for. The charges are 200 shillings here at Nyeri Town. It's now becoming the paste. I'm cooking spaghetti fries. I have just boiled and blanched with cold water. So then I just add Royco cube for taste. I didn't put garlic because some people don't like garlic. So yeah, garlic and ginger, just add the ginger and my Royco cube. And salt to taste. So that's it. So let it cook for like 2 to 3 minutes. Then I add my carrots. for color because the spaghetti is so white. So the carrot is also a vegetable. So for color, for good nutrients in your body. Yeah. This is 1 packet of spaghetti. I'm cooking for 2 to 3 people. It ranges with how many of people you are cooking for. So it is like 6 people, you can cook 2 packets. 10 people, like 5 packets of spaghetti. So even if like 1 pasta packet, itatosha watu wawili watatu. So I'll just add. So let it cook for 5 minutes so that ishike your paste. Then you try kwa moto. So you will let it see when it is for service. When I'm preparing for serving. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Lois Mwangi Chef. I'll just put the ingredients on the description box so that you can check it out. And also I'll put my charges that will be in the description box. And that's it. So that my aim is to get 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So subscribe, share, and that's all. This is the presentation of the spaghetti fry. You use a fork and a spoon. I've decorated with a shell, and this is a napkin fold, as you can see. This is a toothpick and a salt shaker for those who need more salt, and tomato sauce for adding onto the spaghetti. Yes, thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and give any suggestion. Yes, and I repeat again, my charges for cooking skills, those who want to learn, is 200 shillings, Kenyan shillings. I'll be here at Nyeri town, Nyeri County.